Okay, in this video I'd like to look at 7 oil and gas stocks that pay a good dividend. First of all, let's look at Dogecoin, see where it's at. Dogecoin is here at 0.061, no change. Bitcoin is at 19,700. Okay, so let's get into it. 7 oil and gas stocks that pay a pretty healthy dividend. So EPD, Enterprise LP, and you can see it here. Here's the chart. It's consolidating right at 26. Little pullback here, 26.29. Let's look at the 1-year chart. Here's your 1-year chart. It's a good chart, and there's their 1-year. There's their 1-year sales, showing 50% revenue. Quarterly showing 69% revenue. So they're gaining fast. When your quarterly is higher than your annual, that would be you're trending higher. So annual is 50%, quarterly 69%. Good sales, highly profitable. The margin on these gas and oil stocks is fairly, this one's not so high. The rest of them are fairly high because they pay a dividend. This one, not so much. So let's look at a few more here, but this does pay, this pays a 7% dividend, which comes to about 47 cents a share. So depending on how many shares you have, you get paid 47 cents a share on a $26 stock 4 times a year. I believe it's quarterly. I believe all these are quarterly, I think. So yeah, not bad. Good to look at these. And ET is another one. Energy Transfer. It's right here knocking on 12. Nice big pullback to 9.5. Back up to 11.75. And on our one-year chart, there's your 1-year chart. It was in the 9s. Now it's in the 11 and 12. And for annual earnings, saying 73%. Quarterly, still calling 71%. So they're doing well lately. And if you know anything about or have heard anything about the energy crisis in Europe and all that, there's a good chance that they may be needing some of our gas. So we'll see. I don't know all about that, but people need this gas, I think. Okay, let's go to the next one, PAA. Plains American. And it's been consolidating. A little run up, 11.84. PAA, Plains America. There's the 1-year chart, was in the 10s. Now it's up to knocking on 12. And the annual, they were calling for 80% revenue increase, or they have had. And the quarterly is 64%. This is prior sales. So this is like guaranteed sales. This is what they've done before. 80%. 2021, of course. So I don't. And then currently, this is their current. So 64% in January, March, April, May, June, second quarter. They're doing 64%. So you can see they're gaining. They're gaining quarterly. That's a good sign currently. And they pay a 7% also. And that comes out to about 21 cents a share. So 21 cents a share on $11 stock. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Yeah. The next one. The next one is MPLX. MPLX. And their chart is flat, consolidating in the middle of their range here at 32.5. MPLX for their 1 year, they're in the 28s and now they're in the 32s. And on their annual sales, calling for 14%, quarterly 21%. So again, currently they're gaining more than they had been. 21% currently, and annually 14%. Nice, good. And it pays 8% dividend. 8% dividend should be about 70, I think about 70 cents a share. So 70 cents a share on a $32 stock. 4 times a year. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what's next. We have USAC, USA Compression Partners, and it's at 17. It's run up to its resistance, pulled back, June, July pullback. We've run up, pulled back here, 1789, and let's look at it on the the 1 year chart. There's your 1 year chart, was in the 15s. Now we're in the almost 18. And as far as sales goes, there's annual sales on this one aren't so strong. So we're down 5%. Quarterly up 9%. So recently or currently it's doing better than it has been. So 9% up now. But prior to that, they were flat or down a little bit. That's USA Compression Partners. And it pays a 11% dividend, which would be about 52 cents a share. So 52 cents a share on a $17 stock is a nice payday 4 times a year. 4 times a year, 52 cents times your shares on a $17 stock. So it's a way to offset, way to make money. Okay, let's go to CEQP. Crestwood Partners LP. Crestwood Partners LP. Was higher. It's come down the June, July low. It's run back up. Little pullback. Trying to show some life at 27.11. CEQP. CEQP. I'll get this eventually here. And there's the 1 year chart. 1 year chart was in 28 to 27. So it's been flat. It's been flat. And the annual sales, it's showing 100%. And the quarterly, it's showing 55%. And it's a 9% dividend. So 9%, about a 65% per dividend, per share, 65 cents per share on a $27 stock. So for every share, you should get paid about 65 cents a share 4 times a year. So that's not bad. A 9% dividend is not bad at all. And last one, CAPL, Cross American Partners. And it's flat here, consolidating in a downtrend at 20 and a half. CAPL. CAPL. Okay, let's see here. 1 year chart. 1 year chart's flat. It was in the 19s and now it's to 20. Sales, annual sales, it's saying 87%. Quarterly, 73%. So currently in 2022, looks like they've done better than prior. So they're coming on strong. Net profit margin is low. Yet they're still paying a 10% dividend, which would be about a 52 cent per share. 52 cent per share on a $20 stock. 4 times a year. So not a bad payday there either on Cross America Partners LP. So there's the 4 oil and gas stocks that pay a solid dividend. EDP, ET, PAA, MPLX, USAC, CEQP, CAPL. All with solid dividends and decent charts and fairly low prices to buy shares. So that's what I had for today. Let's go back and look at Bitcoin, 19.7, and Dogecoin forever at 0.61. So that's it for the day. Good luck on your investing.